Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you really great information that how you and me can repair really fast our broken and bad electric devices. And this hint is really valuable because, like in my case, I have in here this US Maze DeWalt, this saw. This is like wood saw, and this is really excellent device. And I noticed that when this was stored in cold place, that this my device it won't work. And I thought that I can throw that device to junk yard, and trash. But then I remember very useful hint what I will show to you also. And this hint is that when we have older devices, even like this high quality DeWalt, there is this really bad thing, this rusty and corrosion. And this corrosion can go to our electric devices also, like in these battery based devices, these small electric components, especially coils, and then this our device it don't work. And now I will tell and show you that how you can repair your own all electric devices, and especially if you have high quality parts like DeWalt is best in USA, and then this Makita is best in world. This is even better than DeWalt. But normally only Makitas they works always. This is only brand. But then when we have this second level DeWalt and then this like Milwaukee, there can be issues like in this my DeWalt that there is rusty inside these electric parts. And that's this my hint is so easy that if you notice that now there is nothing happens when I try to get this thing to work, we have to do this fast service. We have to rotate this device carefully and do not press in that time this trigger, because there is risk that this saw and this blade start to rotate, and this is really sharp, and that's only rotate this moving shaft and this part what normally moves our electric device in that way. And this purpose is to clean these small parts. I have example. There is electric drill driver in here. I have opened that, and now same way when I rotate this part in same way like in that part, these inside parts, look, they start to move, and especially this area there is the small coils in this area. Now I take that away. This can fly. This is this coil part. It is inside in there. And these coils are in here. And now and this is this coil cover. And when I rotate that in this way, this rusty becomes away in here. And this is this trick. We have to rotate these our bad electric devices, this shaft, and then this area becomes clean automatically. This is this trick, because in that area, if there is any rusty or corrosion, then this our electric device is bad and it is stuck and not moving. It like stop. And also in same way, when we have this battery things and this is like bad, I need to rotate this device in that way. This can be a little bit hard, but look, this moves and we can hear the sound. Good. and I can use also pliers that I can rotate that. Okay. And also this Makita, same way I can rotate. Good. And then this my bad device, this one, this DeWalt. Now we can test that what this rotation makes and how this repair, this easy repair, change this my DeWalt. And next I connect this my DeWalt to electricity. Okay, and now I have electricity, and really, this is really 100% true that in that situation happens to me, and this DeWalt cost about $300, even more in Home Depot. And look what happens when I now press this trigger. Really great. And this is this repair. And remember that do not ever press this trigger and same time move that, because there is so big risk that our finger cuts very nicely. Look how this can happen when I take a little bit example in here soon. Okay, and this wooden stick demonstrates my finger. And now you can see that how dangerous this is, this job when we, now I open these devices, that if we install our finger in here and we press same time this trigger in here, that trigger. Look, this is my finger. And this is the most important thing to you. My finger cuts same way in seconds like this wooden stick. And that's unplug always your electric devices, or then only rotate this device in that way. And that kind of information to you, my friend. And please comment if you have also repair your bad products, electric products. Thank you.